Stock update on Friday, it closed 4%, 341. That's where it closed. It went up with pretty decent volume. Let's have a look at the daily chart. So on a daily chart, last time when we looked, we talked about that this stock is getting outside of this downtrend now. It's not downtrending anymore. We broke this downtrend, and now the resistance from here would be somewhere here, 345. If it gets above that level, we don't have a resistance all the way till here at $360 levels, and then above we have pretty much these all-time highs in 375. I think those are the resistance levels to watch to the upside. And also, if I bring up the moving averages here, this red line represents 200-day moving average, and the yellow one is right here is a 50-day simple moving average. Last time it hit this level after bouncing pretty good, it reversed. It went down 4 consecutive days pretty much, and now on Friday we almost touched this level and we closed right below that 50-day. So that's resistance as well, and I'm watching next week for possible follow through. If we get above that level, then it's looking really bullish, and they're gonna trade with different ticker symbol beginning of I think December, 1st December, metaverse. So, and there's a lot of hype around that as well. There's a lot of companies like benefiting with all this Facebook's project, and let's see what happens. But I would still be cautious just because of the downtrending 50-day moving average. It could fake out definitely, and it could spend in this range for a little more time. But if it does break out, it looks very bullish. And also, if you look at the MACD, the momentum is still to the downside, but it's the both signal line and MACD line below zero line, but it's still to the upside. So it's still, momentum is still to the upside despite having this first half of the week basically stock was down, and then Friday reversed almost 90% of those losses. And also, let's switch to a monthly chart. On a monthly chart, we had 2 months of a sell-in basically, and now November, let's see where it closes, because looks like if you look at the October, basically October losses recovered now first half of November. So that's looking good. We still have a half a more months, and we'll see what happens. But what about the options? What happened on Friday? 584,000 calls were traded, 250,000 puts were traded, twice as much call volume. And if I filter out by the biggest orders that came in on Friday, you can see there are people who are betting for December. I just went through these orders. I'm not going to look at the spreads that are like big spreads being traded, or people buy both calls and puts with same strike price next year, 330 put, 330 call. But I'm seeing next year 330 call, and then March next year 420 call, November this year 330 call, December this year 375, 370 calls, 370 calls, 375 for February. And so looks like option market on Friday was bullish than bearish. Of course, there are some bearish bets as well, such as 260 puts, 270 puts for next year, and then December 320, 420, 225, 240, 55, 320 puts for December 17th. Looks like very popular. But again, I don't know if these puts were sold or purchased. But slightly bullish, I want to say, on Friday. And that's the update for Facebook. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.